Welcome to the second part of this tutorial. In this part we'll apply the design system to the mobile app. I slightly changed a few things, added some icons and added more buttons, so we use all the colors and it's just more complete. So we have this mobile app design, which is some sort of YouTube, and we have a Halloween topic which is relevant to us right now. And let's start applying the design system that we created. So let's start from very top. We have these dots, change them to red colors, stroke to black. What else? The names. We select small text and the color asphalt gray. For all link we apply red color and H4 as text. These things, they look like tags. Let's copy tag and replace it here. If the style doesn't match precisely, we can always tweak these parameters, like padding, for example. Why not? Okay, duplicate this tag and we change to tag gray. Today, yesterday, this week. Okay, this part is done. Let's select the line, make it very dark gray. Then these titles, we'll make them H4. And these things, we will make them small text, asphalt gray. Nice. Then let's start replacing the buttons. Select this one and replace this thing. I press Command Shift R or Control Shift R, and we immediately see the problem that we don't have enough styles in our design system. Let's tweak it so we have small buttons as well. And in order to do this, we also need to create one more style for the buttons. We'll call it H5, and it will have 13 and maybe medium instead of bold. Adding this style as H5, deselect and move it here so we have perfectly aligned everything. For this button we select H5, and also for this button we'll change these paddings to be less than it is right now. I think this one will be enough. and rename it to button small red. Sounds good. Copy this one and replace it. Make some nice spacing. Watch 12 and 16. Replace this one. Okay, good. Only the icon is left on this screen. I mean this icon. It has black colors now, but let's select white and replace it here as well. Nice. The first screen is ready. Let's proceed to the second one. Your history. This is H4 with white text. This is H5. No, actually this is H4. And let's make this H3. Yeah, I think this is pretty nice. For search box, we select body text with asphalt gray, opacity. Okay, what else do we have here? These smaller titles. This is H5, fits perfectly. These things, select all of them. This gray color and small text. Good. Then I want to copy the style of this line and apply to this line. So copying is Command Option C or Control Alt C and Command Option V. Really nice. The search box should have a color of very dark gray. We forgot one thing, to change the background color to this black. Actually, wait a second, select the entire screen and in selection colors we replace black with our black. And by simply going through and replacing all of these colors will fix all the issues. Nice, now all colors are applied here. Cool. Then we have a bunch of icons. The back arrow, make it white, and then we can copy it, replace this arrow, and here in the drop down menu we just select other icon. This is very handy when you are changing the icons, and this is thanks to these variants that we created. Okay, copy this one, replace it here, and copy this three-dot menu icon and replace it here, one by one. And to make sure, we select the entire screen and start replacing colors here. Good, all colors are in their place. And the last one, not a lot of things to do here, just replacing the icon, replacing the text style with, it's too big, page 3 looks nice, and this is small text with the asphalt gray color, and let's pick the big button and replace this one here. Subscribe. By the way, subscribe to this channel as well if you like the video. Nice, so we have the design system in place, and whatever we change here in the design system, it will be applied to the app, to the product we created. For example, if I change this color red to be different, let's make something that is totally not red, you see, all the things change. Let's select this pink, and everything changed. For example, if we change the black color to something different, let's have brown, and now everything became brown. That's what the design systems are used for. Whatever you change in your product, you won't have to go screen by screen to change it again. So please use it in your projects, save your time, save the development time. If you have any questions left, you can always ask me in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials in the future, and see you in the next one.